Have you ever wondered how cybersecurity experts find threats that haven't even been discovered yet? Welcome to the world of threat hunting. This is not your typical reactive security protocol, waiting for alarms to sound or for the system to flag an anomaly. No, threat hunting is a proactive endeavor. It's about taking the initiative, diving deep into the digital environment to search for threats that may be lurking undetected. Where traditional security measures are like a guard at the gate, threat hunting is the scout venturing into the wilderness, on the lookout for potential danger. It's about seeking out the threats that automated security solutions, with all their sophistication, may have missed. The threats that are so new, so subtle, they've slipped under the radar. In this complex and ever-evolving digital landscape, the threat hunter is a new breed of cybersecurity professional. So threat hunting is like being a detective in the cyber world, always on the lookout for the unknown unknowns. But who are these cyber detectives we call threat hunters? Well, let's dive right in. Ethical hacking, also known as penetration testing or white hat hacking, is the practice of testing a computer system, network, or application to find security vulnerabilities that a malicious hacker could exploit. Ethical hackers use the same techniques as their less scrupulous counterparts, but with one key difference: they're doing it to help, not harm. These digital defenders play a crucial role in threat hunting. They proactively seek out the weak points in a system before a malicious hacker can find them. They're like the detectives of the digital world, scouring the landscape for clues and closing cases before any damage can be done. Ethical hackers are the unsung heroes of cybersecurity. They work tirelessly behind the scenes, turning the hacker's own tools against them in a constant effort to keep our data safe. So ethical hackers are the good guys in the cyber world, using their skills to protect us from the unknown threats. You might be wondering, why do we need ethical hackers in threat hunting? Well, let's dive into it. Ethical hackers are like the unsung heroes of cybersecurity. They're the good guys, using their skills for the betterment of digital security, not for causing mayhem. They play a vital role in threat hunting, a proactive process of searching for threats that might not even be known yet. You see, ethical hackers simulate potential attacks, acting like a mirror to the malicious hackers out there. They mimic the actions of these potential threats, testing the security measures in place to see if they can find a way in. It's like a friendly game of chess where the ethical hacker tries to outsmart the system, not to win, but to help it improve. This process uncovers vulnerabilities that may have been overlooked or not even considered. It's these blind spots that can often be the most dangerous, as they provide an open door for malicious hackers to exploit. Ethical hackers shine a light on these areas, helping to close the door before it can be used against us. The benefits of this practice are numerous. For one, it can prevent devastating breaches that could result in the loss of sensitive data, financial resources, and trust. Imagine the potential damage if a bank's security system were breached or a hospital's patient records were accessed. Ethical hacking helps to prevent these scenarios from becoming a reality. Moreover, ethical hacking improves security measures. It's like a stress test for a system, pushing it to its limits to see where it breaks. This allows organizations to strengthen their defenses, ensuring they're not just strong but adaptable to the ever-changing landscape of cybersecurity threats. In the end, ethical hackers play a crucial role in threat hunting, helping us stay safe in the cyber world. They're the guardians of our digital frontier, using their skills not for harm, but for the betterment of all. So the next time you hear about ethical hacking, remember, it's not just about breaking the rules, it's about making them stronger. Let's take a moment to recap what we've learned today. We delved into the intriguing world of threat hunting, a proactive approach to cybersecurity, where we don't just wait for threats to occur, we actively hunt them down. This concept is crucial in today's digital age, where threats are evolving at a rapid pace. We also explored the role of the ethical hacker, the cyber warrior with a white hat who uses their skills to help, not harm. These individuals play a pivotal role in the threat hunting process, using their knowledge of the unknown unknowns to anticipate and counteract potential security breaches. We discussed the steps involved in threat hunting, which include identifying potential threats, investigating them, and taking corrective action. This proactive approach helps to ensure that our digital spaces are safer and more secure. Remember, in the cyber world, the best defense is a good offense, and that's what threat hunting and ethical hacking are all about.